Racing just is started. We have Shanana. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Iwajima. Jet Setter Slim Moralia. Then comes Class Act. New Dawn. Ella Enjoy. Salvatore. Seeing Lorky. While Babes. Magic is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. We have Shanana by our length and Ihapa. Jet Setter Slim in second. Moving up on the outside, Iwajima, a length further back in fourth, comes Moralia, 6 lengths down in fifth is Class Act, then next on line is Salvatore, Ella Enjoy, Babes Magic, New Dawn, while seeing Lorkia, now racing in last, inside the tres octavo, we have Shanana by about 3/4 of a length lead, Iwajima in second, 3 lengths back in third, comes Moralia, Jet Setter Slim, then here comes Class Act, now starting to put big strides. Ella Enjoy comes next. Babes Magic in the middle portion. Seeing Lorky. New Dawn while Salvatore now racing in last as they swing for home. Shanana Class Act moving up on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. Last 100 meters we have Shanana now saying goodbye to the rest of the field. And finally the upper 10 corner. Shanana. Second is Iwajima. Seeing Lorky. Close.
Ngayon na nga, tama yung tinatanong ni Com at yun, sinagot